When graphing linear equations from slope-intercept form, all we need to do is be able to identify the two different pieces of information that we need. So if we go through and figure out what the slope is, which is going to be attached to the x, this tells us what the rise and the run is. Also, we can identify the y-intercept, and the y-intercept basically gives us a starting point. So that's going to be here. So using my y-intercept, I'm going to go on the y-axis down to 0, -2. I'm going to go ahead and plot that point. Then I'm going to use the slope to be able to find the next point. So from this point that was given to us, we're going to rise 3 and run 5, both of which are positive, so we're going to go up and then right. And plot that point. Once you have 2 points, you technically have enough information to be able to go ahead and graph the line. So let's go ahead and connect the dots. So by connecting the dots now with a straight line, I have formed the equation, or excuse me, formed the graph that goes with the corresponding equation that was given to me. Keep in mind that 2 points are the minimum to be able to graph something. However, if you feel like you need more, it's always a good idea. So go ahead and plot a couple additional points just to make sure. So going over here, I'm going to do the exact same thing. So there's my m. Notice it doesn't look like a fraction, so I'm going to put a 1 underneath it so that it does. And then with my second point here, this is going to be my y-intercept. So that's going to tell me where to start my graph. So I'm going to go up to 0, +8. So right at the edge of my graph here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the slope. Now, since the slope is -6, it's telling me to go down over +1 to the right. Again, 2 points is enough, but I think I'm going to do one more. After I've done that, now I have 3 points on this line. Go ahead and connect the dots. Now that I've connected the dots, you see that I have the graph of my equation.